Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing another item from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collaboration. This is a really exciting one because we've already taken a look at the Multigram cat eye sunglasses in the black multi-colorway. So now we're checking out a white multi-colorway. So this is called the Monogram multicolor square sunglasses, and they are square. They are pretty oversized, so I will give you a heads up, but I really like the white. I was really, had my hopes set on the pink with white cat eyes, and I think these white ones give some of that essence and almost look a little bit more structured or well made. Now, this box did come with a book, whereas my cat eye sunglasses did not. And if you're familiar with kind of the fiasco that's going around with the Louis Vuitton packaging, you'll see that there's no specific Murakami packaging with this box either. So overall, not a deal breaker for me, but just kind of feels subprime, and like we should have dotted our I's and crossed our T's a little bit better, Louis Vuitton. But if you want me to help you through logistics, I'm more than happy to. Anyway, getting a first look at our sunglasses, I really like them. I think they feel substantial. They feel really well made. And I think it's special to feel like something that you paid a lot for was actually worth it. I do think these stand out. The detailing is incredible. You'll see on the inside of the hinge, you have a Louis Vuitton symbol. The inside writing has a lot of information. Then on the wings, you have two different characters. So take a close look. On one side, it is the flower, and on the other side, it is a star. And you have pretty symmetric colors on, both sides. It might be a little inversed, but I think it's overall really tasteful. Now, taking a look at the lens, you'll notice there is a kind of gradient look to them. So it's going to be darker at the top and then more clear at the bottom. So just keep that in mind, that is the style of lens that you're getting. I think we so often, fall in love with the silhouette, but forget that they're actually sunglasses. So let me know what you think in the comments below. We will be unboxing more Murakami shortly, so be sure to subscribe.